So, Salesforce LWC interview questions and answer. In this, we will be focusing on the different kind of question and different kind of levels of the question that can be asked to freshen and experience. So, what are the basics questions? Let's look at them first. So, what is LWC and how does it differ from Jira component? Is the most basic question that can be asked in any of the interview. Focus on LWC being a modern framework using web standards versus Aura's customer framework approach. Uh, Another basic question can be asked is the explain the concept of the data binding in the LWC. How changes in JS variable automatically reflects the UI that is known as the binding variable. Third is how do you handle user events, clicks, form submission in LWC. You can use the event listeners property. Fourth is what are the decorator used in the LWC and explain the functionalities. Example API and track. So API for passing data from parent to child and track for the reactive data updates. These are the questions that might be intermediate level of kind of question. How can you conditionally render element in your LWC template using if true or if false decorative? You can conditionally render the template in the LWC template. Explain how to iterate over a list and dynamically render element in the LWC using for each derivative. It can be possible. Third is how do you handle errors in the LWC using the try catch block or error handling mechanism in the library. Can error can be handled in the LWC. Fourth is what are the different way to communicate between LWC components. So component event for communication within the hierarchy, application event for the broader communication. Also, let us look at some of the advanced levels question that can be asked in the interview, which is related to LWC. Explain the concept of imperative versus declarative programming in the LWC. Imperative code defines how to achieve something. Declarative code specifies what need to be achieved. Uh, then another is how can you optimize the performance of your LWC component. Techniques like memorization, lazy loading, efficient data structure can be helpful in this. Describe your experience with the integrating external libraries, example charting libraries in LWC. And last is explain how you would implement a custom web component for reusability across different Salesforce pages using LWC modular design principles. So that was the basic, intermediate and advanced question related to the LWC component. Thank you so much.